Hi everyone, my name is Nabilah Amira. I'm a physiotherapist and also a STOTT Pilates instructor. Today, me and my partner, which is also a Rehab Pilates instructor, Shifaq are here to teach you 5 Pilates exercises and the benefits behind it for the pregnant ladies out there. Let's go! Oh yeah, before we move on to the further content, don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any video from us. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And also, feel free to WhatsApp us and also book yourself a complimentary session with us. Thank you! During pregnancy period, there are less number of exercises you can do and you can't perform the same exercises for every trimester. However, with Pilates, which is a low-impact exercises, it gives you tons of benefits during your pregnancy period. Pilates routine not only provides safety while doing the exercises, it also helps in building your strength, balance, and ease your labor process. In this video, we have provided you exercises that teach you on a proper technique of breathing and also exercises that strengthens your core, your glutes, your pelvic floor muscles, and some general stretches to improve your flexibility. So, before we move on to the exercises, I'm going to brief you on the benefits of the Pilates exercises for pregnancy. Firstly, a proper breathing pattern will give you better relaxation. It reduces all those tension over your neck, your shoulders, and it also maximizes oxygenation for both you and the baby. Don't be surprised, it can also help to control your breathing during your labor process. Apart from that, strengthening your core, glutes, and pelvic floor muscles help in supporting your lower back region. It reduces all those back pain, those pelvis pain that you get, and most importantly, it supports your bowel, bladder, and womb as your baby grows bigger and bigger. Last but not least, general stretches are very beneficial to reduce tightness and heaviness-like sensation over your whole body. Now, let's move on to learn the exercises with Shifaq. Shifaq, let's get it!
Thank you, Bella. Hi everyone, my name is Shifaq. I'm a physiotherapist, a STOTT Pilates instructor, and a Rehab Pilates instructor. First of all, congratulations if you are now pregnant. But if you are not pregnant and you know those beautiful ladies out there who are pregnant, feel free to share this video with them. Without further ado, let's go right away to the exercises.
Let's start with our basic knowledge, that is a Pilates breathing. You want to put your hands at the bottom part of the rib cage and inhale through the nose and exhale through pursed breathing. As you inhale, you want to feel the expansion at the bottom part and the sides of the rib cage, and when you exhale, you want to feel the closing of it. Keep your shoulders down and no shruggings allowed to avoid any unnecessary tension over your shoulders and the neck. As you are exhaling, you want to feel that your pelvic floor and also your core muscles engaging properly. The feeling is like you are tightening up a corset in between your waistline. Alternately, you can also do this exercise in a side-lying position. Place a cushion in between your legs for a support in case if you are having a pain in your pelvic girdle or in your pubic symphysis. The next exercise is called as leg raise. Lift both heels up and feel your core muscles engage, and then slowly lift one leg at a time into a tabletop position. You want to feel that your core muscles and the abdominal muscles working hard to lift your legs up and support the weight of the legs. Try to keep your spine in a neutral position all the time and not being overarched like this. This is to avoid a straining in your lower back over the time, so keep your core engaged and lift your legs up with that abs working. For a progression and more challenge, you can start this exercise with both legs in a tabletop position and perform a toe tap. This way, you can feel your abs muscle working hard to maintain a neutral alignment to avoid that overarching of the spine. If you cannot keep the engagement of your abs, you can just go halfway with your toe tap. Once you have reached your second and the third trimester, it's quite hard to lie down on your tummy anymore. But don't worry, you can always work out in a different ways, such as in this side-lying position. This exercise is called as Clamshell. Begin with bending your knees and put them together, and the upper body is propped up with your elbow. Open up the top leg in this position so that you can feel your side bum muscles, that is your gluteus medius muscle, to work hard. Avoid this rotation over your pelvis or the shoulder shrugging. Keep your spine in a neutral alignment at most and perform this exercise to feel the muscle working effectively. For a progression, you can straighten your knees while keeping your knees at the same height. Avoid kicking movement because you want to feel your thigh muscle at the front working effectively. Next is a side plank. Keep your knees together and your upper body is propped up with your elbows. Push your pelvis up, make sure that your shoulders is not shrugging, and keep your neck aligned with your spine. While being in this position, you want to make sure that your pelvis is always facing to the front, so you are working on your bottom obliques and the side bum muscles. For a little progression, you can extend your arms towards the ceiling and do a pulses movement with your pelvis. Finally, here comes our stretchings. The first one is the thoracic rotation with the single arm circles. You want to put your hands over the opposite knee and rotate your chest and hands towards the opposite side. You want to make sure that your alignment is in vertical and not leaning to the side. The second one is a side bend. Put both arms on the sides of the chairs and lift one hand up and bend to the side. Use your fingers to reach even more so you can feel the stretch on the sides. Make sure that your opposite bum is not lifted when you are bending. Keep it grounded. The third exercise is a piriformis stretch on a chair. You're going to cross your leg and place your ankle on the opposite knee. Stabilize your top knee and lean forward. Here, you're going to feel there's a small muscle around your pelvis area being stretched. And this is how it's going to look like in a side view. Lean your spine forward without slouching or rounding your shoulders too much. Instead of bringing the head and the shoulders to the front, think about bringing your chest to lean forward. You also want to make sure that you are not clenching your bum too much. Just feel relaxed and allow your knees to be open wide to allow the stretchings to take place. And that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching.